First, we need to set up camp the safe way. Rule number 1, clear the area before we build a fire.
How hard can it be? You just throw some sticks together and light it up.
You have to clear everything around it first. Leaves and dry grass can catch fire in seconds.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. See? Fire's going and nothing bad happened. You worry too much. I'll just grab my blanket real quick. The fire's fine by itself for a second.
Pippen! Pippen! The fire spread. I told you, never leave it alone. Water on the flames, dirt on the edges. Smother it, don't fan it.
Right!
Good job, we saved the campsite. Whew, that was close.
That got bad so fast. I only left for like 10 seconds.
Never leave a fire alone. Keep it in a clear circle. And always have water nearby before you even start.
And when you're done, drown it, stir it, feel it. If it's hot, it's not out. Stay safe out there.
What a perfect day for a hike. The trail loops back to camp in about an hour.
Whoa, where did those clouds come from? It was sunny like 2 minutes ago.
We need to find shelter right now, Pippen.
Let's just wait under this big tree until it passes.
Lightning hits the tallest thing around. That tree is a target.
Okay, no trees, but there's nothing out here.
Get low. Crouch down like this, stay away from tall things, and don't lay flat on the ground.
This is scary, but I'm glad you knew what to do.
Wait 30 minutes after the last thunder before you move. That's the rule. Lightning can still strike after the rain stops.
So remember, no tall trees, get low, and wait 30 minutes. Stay safe out there.